Alright, let's make some banana and ice cream. What you're going to need are some overly ripe bananas, some milk, dairy or otherwise, honey, and whatever mix-ins you want. For tools, you're going to need a knife, a cutting board, food processor, and a freezer. All in all, this recipe takes about 4 hours and 10 minutes, with the active time being only about 10 minutes. Alright, get your ripe bananas, peel them, and then cut them up into little slices. Afterwards, put them in a bag and throw it in the freezer. Now that they're good and frozen, let's whip out the food processor and throw them in. Make sure to not have any large chunks of banana, otherwise the processor is going to have a real hard time breaking those down. Add in whatever mix-ins you want at this time. This scenario, I'm using blueberries, and add a dash of honey. Then pulse to combine. Like I said, any large chunks are going to cause problems for the food processor because it's not going to chop up nicely, so break up any large clumps and keep pulsing until you get a smooth, creamy consistency similar to soft serve. Put the mixture into a container and throw it in the freezer. You're done. Now feel free to just freestyle with whatever you want. This next batch is peanut butter and chocolate. Still, you're going to need the bananas and a dash of honey, but you're free to put in anything you want. Again, put it in a container, spread around, make it nice and even, and then throw it in the freezer. Takes about 4 hours, and then you got your banana and ice cream.